right, in this video, I want to show you how you can add transitions to your project, all right? And in order to add transitions, we're going to be using this effects panel, and we're going to stick to the panels in this main learning area. You can change the panels up here, but we're going to kind of stay in this space because it's kind of already set up for us. And so if it's not showing up right here where it says effects, all you have to do is go to Window and then check the effects box. And that's going to pull up these effects options, all right? And so in here we have audio effects and we have audio transitions, and we have video effects and video transitions. And you're welcome to go through and explore some of these. Sometime we'll take a look at a couple of them for our assignments. But we want to go into the video transitions right now. And for the most part with transitions in movies, usually they either transition with a cut, a jump cut, which means you don't need to add a transition, or they transition with a dissolve, and they kind of fade from one clip to the next. And that's what I want to show you guys for this example. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this dissolve folder here. You just click on these little arrows to have everything show up. And there's one in here. This is probably the main one that you'll use, which is a cross dissolve, okay? And you just drag that between the two clips that you want it to be at. And now when we watch it, and it may be a little laggy as we watch it here, but it'll actually get a nice fade between those two, okay? We can also add a cross dissolve at the end of a clip, and what it will do is it'll just basically fade it to black, okay? And there is actually a dip to white and a dip to black, which is what that will do. Those will not do transitions between the two very well, because if I put that dip to black in, and I hit play, it's going to go to black and then fade back up to my other color. If you ever put a transition in and you don't like where it's showing up or how it's working, you can zoom in here and we can do a couple of things. We can shorten the transition or we can lengthen the transition, but we can also click on it and just press the delete key on the keyboard and get rid of the transition. And that will just get rid of it for us, all right? And so those are a few things with transitions. You're welcome to look at some of the other ones. They're just some basics for transitions today.